Hello and welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. I'm sure if you see the title, you're here to see what's inside the new Revel advent calendar. So here we are. I haven't had a chance to do swatches yet, but I wanted to get this out to you guys as quick as possible. If I think a dip has something interesting or looks sparkly, I open it up, I show it to you, I get to you a nice close-up. If I think it just looks like a solid, we just kind of look at it and just keep on moving on, unless I have a question about like tone or something. So that's what you're seeing here. And I hope this is helpful. I hope this helps you decide if you want to shop. You can use my code RNBRANDIS 20. It's 20% off, and it works on the calendar, and I believe anything that's not on sale. If it's on sale with a code, it won't work, but if it's just on sale, it may still stack. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe. I have more advent calendars coming. Might be hard to tell, but this last item is a mix-in, like, create your own dip kind of kit. You get a shimmer and a glow, and you can mix them into any dip that you like to change it up, make it a little bit different. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful, and let me know what you decide.